Alright guys, so we're going to try to remove this broken rivet and replace it with another one. So I'm using a 3/16 drill bit. So we're just going to kind of try to push it through since it's already broken off. But if it doesn't, then we'll just kind of hit it with, we'll just kind of drill through it. We'll go real slow. Because this one's leaking on me. I had water coming in and I saw it dripping the other day. I'm kind of scared doing this. Gotta kind of try to hit it in the middle. Go. So it just popped off. So we got that off. Then I got my rivet right here, which is for aluminum. There you go, it fits perfect right there. Boom. I bought some of this stuff from Academy. It's like some windshield. It's for windshield, windows, lens houses, door frames, tubs and showers. I got it from Academies. I didn't find the 5200 there that people were recommending, but somebody said go ahead and use some that's for windshields also, so and put a dab on it and then put the rivet on it. So let's see how this works. Hopefully it holds up. It's not the end I want the glue on, so I'm gonna kind of just wipe it off. I want the glue on the other side. It's going in the hole like that. So I'm gonna put some there. I'm kind of be a little generous with it. Put some up here. And this is an aluminum rivet, so this is scary, guys, working on boats and kayaks. Oh, hope that thing went on there smooth. It's on there. It just took like a couple pumps. Just let me smear that all over there. Yeah, it's a little easier than what I expected. It doesn't seem like it expanded as big as these, but we'll see. We'll see how that holds up. Yeah, let me know if I did it right or wrong, or if there's something else I gotta do in order to make sure it doesn't leak again. Yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.